BK Electronics is in the continuous quest about the direction our technology should pursue and the highest value we can create. We strive for our name to be synonymous with trust and pride. We inspire pride. BK Electronics. Since its establishment in 1987, BK Electronics has continued to leap forward and grow as a leading company in the field of electronics manufacturing in South Korea, establishing itself a reliable and long-term partner for many customers. We provide a one-stop total solution tailored to our customers. From artwork to automated SMT lines with state-of-the-art technology, IMT line, in-house harness assembly with maximum efficiency, as well as set design and assembly. BK Electronics is a one-stop shop from product planning all the way to delivery. Extensive experience and technical expertise of BK Electronics are focused solely on the success of customers. In addition to research covering all areas of EMS, we focus our capabilities on various R&D activities in the high-tech field to accelerate the realization of our customers' future values. Boast a stable supply of materials by establishing a global network. In addition, we are building and operating an optimized production system so that our technology can be implemented with the highest quality. BK Electronics' strict quality management system leads the global industry standard. Our technology extends across various industries, throughout the industry, to the medical and biotech sector, defense sector, and energy sector. BK Electronics realizes value for everyone based on honesty and trust. We maintain a global quality certification system that satisfies customer needs. Cultivate creative talents who will shape the future. And create a sustainable tomorrow so that more people can enjoy a prosperous life. We firmly believe that true service is about exceeding expectations, and that innovation beyond expectations becomes a source of pride. We inspire pride. BK Electronics.